How to fix Microsoft Store keeps opening automatically on Windows. 1. Terminate Microsoft Store's background processes. 2. Restart the services related to Microsoft Store. 3. Clear the Microsoft Store cache via wsreset.exe. 4. Run a virus scan. 5. Repair or reset Microsoft Store using settings. 6. Repair Windows Store and update components using commands. Commands include netstop bits, netstop browser, netstop apit, netstop cryptsvc del %alisers profile %application data /Microsoft /network /downloader /reader system root /software distribution /s /q reader system root /system 32 /cachro 2 /s /q rakes for 32.exe /s atlantic dll rakes for 32.exe /s earlman.dll rakes for 32.exe /smshtml.dll Netshare Winsock Reset Netshare Winsock Reset Proxy Netstart Bits Netstart Browser Netstart Apit Netstart cryptsvc7 Re-register Microsoft Store via PowerShell command. GitOps package alusers Microsoft.Windows Store for each GitOps package disable development mode register $__install location /apexmanifest.xml